Detroit Speed was started in 2001 and is a company that we've built in the automotive aftermarket industry. Our niche is really suspension and chassis components to transform older American muscle cars into today's more modern Super Day cars. Our clientele at Detroit Speed is varied. It's somebody that may be building a hobby car to large wholesale distributors that we do business with all over the world. The website that we first started many years ago was just HTML code that was written. It was clunky to try and update everything. It wasn't what we were looking for in keeping up with the pace of the company's growth.
It was just a part number and a price. So when a customer went there, they couldn't get the kind of content that they really needed. So they ultimately always had to call in. And that didn't give us the opportunity to truly be open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day across the world.
As we looked to upgrade and advance our e-commerce system, one of the things that we looked at was integration with their ERP, and the integration into K Ecommerce was a natural fit. The K Ecommerce Transition has been something I've been very happy with. You know, from a customer perspective, it's allowed us to do the ease of transactions confidently with the customer and do everything that we need on the backside as well from an operations standpoint, and also on the marketing side that we have a more modern, up-to-date website that is designer friendly.
So when we were introduced to K Ecommerce, they were able to understand our industry. It's a streamlined process on the user interface. It's very straightforward. They gave us all these different training videos. They went step by step to tell us this is what you need to do, this is how it works, establishing all of the product pages, plugging in all of the data, and it just made my job that much easier. One of my favorite features on K Ecommerce is the reporting feature. I can go on there and see live data and see who's on what page, how long they've been there. So it gives me that self-assurance that what I'm doing on the social media side of my job is being conveyed. We're driving people to the website and we're making those sales.
We've had so much success with this K Ecommerce program, and primarily with our retail business, of course. But our dealers now are starting to see how it can work for them as well. And more importantly, our dealers that are outside of the U.S. So now they can feel as if they're interacting with us just by interacting on the website. They have all the tools that they need, they have the videos, they have the instruction manuals, everything is laid out. So we're starting to see even a little bit more dealer business, and that was something we never saw with our old website.
I would definitely recommend K Ecommerce to other businesses, not only in the automotive industry, but I think anybody that has a product line that deals with the customer directly and has a dealer network that simultaneously can work for all those functions, and it reduces operating costs immediately. Today, e-commerce is something that you have to have the right look at the right time, and it's always changing with the consumers, and we feel that K Ecommerce is a good partner for us to make those changes and to stay modern.